115 kilos, PCOD back and I'm still showing up day 21. ये मेरी real journey है, no filters, no perfection. Today feels like emotional because the 21 days yoga sadhana beginner challenge finally comes to an end. आज morning में मैं जब उठी ना तो there was a very different feeling in my heart. Not sadness exactly, not happiness also. It felt like when you finish a chapter that changed you quietly. ऐसा ही जैसा एक feeling आता है उसी तरीके से. However, today started with Trataka practice. For those who don't know Trataka क्या होता है, it is a yogic meditation practice जहाँ पे आप continuously एक ही point पे focus करते हो, mostly a candle flame. Yes, sounds simple, right? But trust me, mind को एक जगह रोकना is one of the toughest thing in today's generation. Because nowadays attention span इतना कम हो गया है कि meditation करते करते भी brain बोलता है वाईफाई ऑन है क्या? After Trataka, yoga practice started. And while doing yoga today, I realized something very deeply. 21 days ago, I started this journey thinking I only needed weight loss. But slowly I realized maybe my soul needed healing more than my body. Because flexibility सिर्फ body में नहीं आई है, mindset में भी आई है, patience में भी आई है, discipline में भी आई है. And after yoga, I sat for journaling, wet pack लगा के. Because multitasking level currently एक साइड हीलिंग एक साइड में टाइम मैनेजमेंट भी जरूरी है ना. I literally sat there thinking Rajni, proud of you यार. 21 days full consistency, no skipping, no excuses, no disappearing midway. And for someone who used to restart again and again, this means a lot. And now starts the most interesting phase, mandala practice. So basically, in yogic culture, mandala means completing a cycle continuously with discipline and dedication. एक ही टाइप की प्रैक्टिस आपको रेगुलर करनी होती है ताकि हमारे डेडिकेशन बढ़े, डिसिप्लिन बढ़े. मोस्टली 21 डेज और 42 डेज और स्पेसिफिक साइकिल्स आर फॉलोड बिकॉज इट इज बिलीव्ड that repeated conscious action slowly start rewiring your body, mind and आपकी habits. And honestly, I want to complete this upcoming mandalas too because now this journey feels personal. पनिशमेंट नहीं लगती और प्रेशर भी नहीं लगता, अपने आप नींद खुल जाती है सुबह 5 बजे. इट फील्स लाइक सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट. एंड टुडे इज संडे, सो ऑब्वियसली इसी बात पे सेलिब्रेशन तो बनता है बस. क्या कहते हो? लाइक आई फेल्ट लाइक Rajni deserves to celebrate this consistency. And whatever happiness comes in my life, naturally, I want to share it with the person closest to my heart. My favorite person, Pillow. Yes. So I planned a small surprise lunch for him and guess what? We went to such a beautiful place and I forgot to record the video. कंटेंट क्रिएटर बनने निकली थी, मेमोरीज क्रिएट कर ली बट फुटेज नहीं लिया. मतलब यूनिवर्स लिटरली सेड कि बेटा एक दिन फोन साइड में रख के भी जी लो यार. बट ऑनेस्टली सम मोमेंट्स आर मोर ब्यूटिफुल व्हेन दे स्टे ओनली इन योर हार्ट, है ना, नॉट इन गैलरी. एंड आफ्टर कमिंग बैक, वहाँ से जो भी है वहाँ जाने से पहले आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग माई योगा, shower लिया, I had my green juice and obviously I also forced Pillow to taste it because every healthy person's dream is सबको healthy बना दो, है ना. Now let's see उनको actually अच्छा लगा या अंदर से उनका सोल रो रहा था. ये क्या है?
ये पता नहीं कुछ चीज़ है, मेरे को नहीं पीना है.
ग्रीन जूस टेस्ट करके तो बता.
मेरे को नहीं पीना है ये सब.
टेस्ट करके बता.
कौन पीता है सब?
हम.
कोई पीता है सब.
तू भी पी, तेरे को भी फायदा होगा.
ठीक है बट मेरे लिए।
थोड़ा पी,
थोड़ा पी लिया मैं तेरे।
नहीं, थोड़ा पी। ग्रीन जूस। अच्छा ही तो है,
हाँ तेरे लिए।
सबके लिए अच्छा है गाइस, पियो। And today's biggest learning and maybe one of the most important lessons of my life is my internal state should stay in my control, not according to situations, not according to people, not according to mood swings, but because outside world kabhi stable nahi hoga, hai na? But maybe real peace comes when your inner world becomes stable. And one thing this journey taught me is consistency is genuinely the key to success. Not perfection, not motivation, overnight transformation तो होता ही नहीं है. Just showing up again and again, even on difficult days. And today I'm emotional, but proud, very proud, because maybe for the first time in a long time, Rajni did not quit on herself. Yes. Earlier I used to think healing means becoming perfect. Perfect body, perfect routine, perfect life. But now I think healing means returning to yourself slowly. One conscious choice at a time. One disciplined morning at a time. एक healthy meal at a time. One forgiving thought at a time. And maybe this is what these 21 days gave me. Not just flexibility, but faith in myself again. So, like, share and subscribe if you also believe in starting again, no matter how many times life tests you. कल फिर मिलते हैं day 21 of starting again with day 1 of Mandala. Bye bye, see you.